Introducing the Endless Photo Construction Kit from Qbrix. This unique set enables you to transform your photo into an impressive pixel art masterpiece. The set includes everything you need: 40 by 40 centimeter baseplate, 5 bags of multicolored cubes, a brick separator, detailed instructions with a unique code, and a box that transforms into a picture frame. It's just a few simple steps. Buy a set from Qbrix, scan the QR code from the instructions, upload your favorite photo to the website, select your preferred option from the choices offered, and receive your assembly instructions instantly. Assemble the picture using the online generator or printed PDF instructions. Each cell of the diagram is marked with a special symbol corresponding to the color needed for assembly, which is also indicated on the bags containing the cubes. So you just cannot go wrong. Creating a picture is an exciting and simple process. Place the cubes on the base according to the instructions and watch your photo come to life. If you get tired of the picture, you can always disassemble it using a special tool and reassemble it with a new photo. Do it as many times as you like. The Qbrix Photo Construction Kit could make a stylish and attractive addition to your home decor or a thoughtful gift for your loved ones. The set is available in 4 different palettes: original, solar, poster, and retrowave. Choose the one that suits you best. Get creative with Qbrix.